So this is how you can reset network settings on any Samsung device easily. So let me guide you with it. So simply, first of all, get into your mobile settings first from this menu, and here you have to scroll down and tap on this advanced features. In this section, you have to scroll down. My bad, it's in the general management. So simply get into general management, tap on reset button, and in the reset thing, you will find reset mobile network settings and tap on this reset mobile network settings. Now select your SIM card. Suppose you want to do it for SIM number one. Select the SIM number one, tap on reset settings and enter your passcode basically. Your fingerprint won't work. So let me do it once. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added this. Tap on continue, and here is a confirmation. Tap on reset. So this is how you can successfully reset network settings for any SIM card on Samsung device. Alternatively, you can do it for the SIM number two also, which is BSNL in my case. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found the video helpful.